No matter how much time I spend trying to clean my pool before winter comes and I close it, I always open up in the springtime to some leaves and debris in the bottom of my pool from the trees. But thanks to the Yousky Cordless Leaf Vacuum, my world is about to completely change with how I vacuum up leaves and sticks and acorns. The marketing team at Yousky reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do a video review of their new cordless leaf vacuum, and I was absolutely thrilled. Up until now, I had to use one of those traditional leaf vacuums that requires a garden hose. And let me tell you, those things are not fun to use. You need to hook up a 50 or 100-foot hose depending on how far away it is. You need to wrestle it into the pool, and when the bag gets full, you need to pull it out quickly with the hose still running so you don't lose all the debris. The way that this leaf vacuum works is it is completely cordless, doesn't require a hose, it has a built-in motor and a battery that's completely waterproof, and it's connected to this impeller which creates that upward force that pulls everything up into this huge 6.5 gallon mesh bag to hold all your debris. When I unboxed this vacuum, I was really impressed to see that everything was almost fully assembled. In fact, it took me less than 5 minutes to get this thing assembled and ready to use. All I had to do was connect this bracket to the vacuum itself using these 2 pins. And then I was able to attach the poles. It even comes with an extension pole, giving it a 6-foot reach. You can even use your own long pole if you want to reach a pool that's really far and deep. It has the capabilities of pushing 83 gallons per minute with the impeller through that mesh bag. Once it's fully charged, which takes about 3 hours, it has a run time of 2.5 hours, which is more than enough time to clean your entire pool, probably more than once. To charge the Yousky Cordless Leaf Vac, you simply pop open this rubber cover and plug in the charger that it comes with. You'll definitely want to make sure that this cover is put back on really tight so you don't get water back in there when you drop it into the pool. And the on-off button is completely watertight as well. Not only does this leaf vacuum work at the bottom of your pool, but you can also use it at the top of your surface to skim your pool as well. Using this leaf vacuum is as simple as can be. You just turn it on and drop it into the pool. The casters on the bottom will keep the vacuum just above the pool surface to allow everything to flow inside. A couple of tips when using a leaf vacuum. You'll want to make sure that your pump is not running and your water is perfectly still. And you also want to take your time and move these things in the water really slow so that you don't disturb everything and make the water really cloudy. On top of this thing being really lightweight and easy to use, it's virtually silent. You don't even hear anything when you're using this thing in the water. When the bag is full, simply pull it out, turn it off, and then you can undo the mesh bag and empty it out. And after about only 10 or 15 minutes, I had all the debris picked up from the bottom of my pool, and now my pool's ready to use. Normally I use pool robot vacuums to clean my pool, but those vacuums seem to not do a really good job of picking up sticks and acorns, and even sometimes leaves just get pushed around instead of sucked up into it. Leaf vacuums like this are designed to pick up leaf, branches, and acorn debris in your pool very easily. I was a little bit concerned as to what was going to happen when little branches came up through that impeller to go into the bag, but it didn't make any disturbance at all and everything went right into the bag. Pool season is about to start in this area, and I guarantee that some of you people are going to have debris in your pool from the closing that you did previously. And the last thing you're going to want to do is use one of those bulky leaf vacuums that require a hose. Get yourself a Yousky Cordless Leaf Vacuum. I guarantee you won't regret this purchase. I'll leave some Amazon links below for you to purchase one yourself, so don't hesitate.